This is a video for IST 600 Open Source Operating Systems and Applications Final Project. This video shows what all we have done till now and how to add or modify pages according to the requirements. My project partners are Nachiket Mutalik, Vineet Tyagi, and me, Amey Thatte. We were working for Professor Carsten Osterlund for the IST 600 final project. Our project was basically concerned with optimizing and redesigning Professor Carsten Osterlund's earlier personal web page to give it a modern feel and look using open source tools such as WordPress. We customized the website layout on similar lines as that of Professor Kevin Krausten's web page, as per Professor Osterlund's requirements. He wished to have features such as navigation buttons, which included papers, health IT, teaching, and his CV. Also, Professor wished to add features and sections such as About Me, recent publications, and blog postings on the main page. He also wished to have his photograph on the main page itself for a more personal look. The main features of the website were that it worked very well on all the 4 browsers that we tested it on. That was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and a browser that is used on iPhone. Also another main feature was that he wanted his About Me data to be static, whereas his recent publications or recent blog postings to be dynamic, just below his About Me part. Also, his name is pronounced or spelled in different ways, so we made it a point that we put all the 3 ways that he could be searched in the search engine. He didn't want any comments on his web page, so we even blocked that. Another point was he didn't want his CV to be directly downloaded, so it can be opened in a new web page, and if anyone wants to save it, he or she can save it from here. The 5th thing that he wanted was his contact not to be searched by any spammers, so we used this format to avoid being spammed. The later on additions were he wanted a tweet me for his Twitter account, by which his Twitter updates could be reflected on his web page. He also wanted features such as search features on his in his papers page, where he can search, where anyone can search for his papers by type or by year. The 3rd new feature that he wanted us to add was this, that when the browser is adjusted, the text automatically gets reformatted, like here we can see in Professor Kevin Krausten's website. Now we'll check out the backend of the website. First, we'll check the plugins that we have used. The plugins that we have used right now are Block Summary, Google Analytics for WordPress, IW4 for the browser in the iPhone, Page Links to, Page Mash, Post Mash, Tweet Me for the Twitter account, and YD Recent Posts. If the editor or the administrator wants to add a new post, he can go in the post menu. He can say add new. Give in a name. Type some text. If he wants any comments, he can check these check boxes, or he can just keep it if he doesn't want any comments. If he wants the visibility of the post to be public, he can keep it public, or he can even publish it privately. When he is done with the work with the posts, he can directly publish it. Here is the new test post. If he wants a new page to be added, he can go to pages, click on add new. He can put in a new page. And similarly, maybe publish it publicly or privately, and even allow comments or disable the comments and directly publish it. We'll refresh the page and check for the new page. Here is our new test page. If he wants to change the hierarchy of the pages, he can change it through page mash. He can just drag and drop it anywhere he wants and say update.